CapCut, the video editing tool you should know about. But it's not only for editing, it has some AI features also. Today we look into the video features. Let's hop in. So first go on CapCut.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. You can use it in two different ways. You can use CapCut online or download it. If you click on the download button and install CapCut, we are here at the desktop tool of CapCut. Here we have the features like long video to shorts, text to speech, AI dialogue scene, AI fashion model and more. Here is also the AI video maker and the record screen feature, which I already use here. Let's look at the AI video maker. Here we have some features like the instant AI video, brainstorm with AI and more. We look into the instant AI video. Here we can choose the style of the video, like a realistic or a cartoon one. Let's choose the realistic one. The aspect ratio, and here we can generate a whole script with a topic or enter our own script. We want to generate a script about artificial intelligence. We can select a voice here, but we're fine with it, and the length of the video. We just hit create. Once he is done, you come to this page here where you see the whole script with the parts of the video. You can edit some parts here, you can delete some parts. Let's just preview it now.
Here's the deal with artificial intelligence. It's not going to take over the world. It's already here. AI is everywhere. It's in your phone, it's in your car, it's in your appliances. It's in the background of every single thing that you do. For the most part, it's not a bad thing. AI makes our lives easier, helps us do things faster, better.
Well, it's awesome. It's about our topic. He generated images, he added the captions. That's great. We can also export it here and the file name like AI and hit export. Next we look at the avatar video feature. Here we can choose an avatar like this one here. We can also generate our script here or enter a whole script. Let's use the topic why dogs are the best friends of humans. We want another voice like this one here and we hit create. And he's already finished. With the same like before, we have the scripts here. You can edit the scenes here. And if you're fine with it, we just hit export. Next, we look at the brainstorm with AI feature. We can enter an idea here. Let's try this one here, how gravity works. We hit enter. CapCut generates us different topics about our idea here. We can choose one here like this one and generate a script from that. You can also choose the duration of the script and more requirements to this topic. If you're fine, we just hit generate. As we see here, he generates the script live based on our topics. We can adjust some things here or we can just use it. And based on that script, we can now add voices and clips or videos and generate our own video here. Awesome. Another cool thing in CapCut are the AI templates. So we can choose a template here like this one. Click on remake. Here we get the base script which was used for this. And if we hit create, we have the same interface like before. We can adjust the voices at the scenes, like the first scene should be this one, the other scene should be other voiceover. We can also upload custom media for the different scenes here. A pretty strong feature, awesome. To the pricing of CapCut, it's easy. You have the monthly or yearly subscription. You get access of all paid features, unlock and edit all templates, use it across desktop, mobile and web, and you can cancel it anytime. As usual, if you liked CapCut, try it. See you in the next one.